Okay, here's a little update to the TV I fixed. I'm using it for the kids. This is in their playroom. They got a few things to play with in here. Up in the loft. Yeah, so there's the TV. I think it's a 32-inch. So I was just testing it some more. I've been getting all the updates because they haven't used their little pink computer in a while. I loaded in a video from it's weird. Explorer 10 showing it. Oh wow! You see Explorer 10. Windows Explorer 10 is different, so this looks different than in my bedroom. It probably doesn't have the normal flash, so it's using its built-in capabilities. It doesn't need Adobe, so I think that's why all these controls are different. They're actually kind of better in a way. But there's an HD show. That brought something up on oh, that's not a kid's show. It's just something with CBS. Anyway, they won't be watching that. But quality's pretty good.
Oh, hi.
On the TV. So that's weird how that works. Watch, see that symbol? If you go to, it says HD available in full screen. You click on it, it goes to it. It's a tab out of there. But when you go to the desktop and look at the little tabs for Internet Explorer, it shows two tabs. See? Two. The one where it just shows like the main screen, but it kind of paused it when I clicked HD and it opened up. Look at that, a second one. Oh, it is using Adobe Flash. Is this the way Explorer 10 is handling it? Huh.
That's not why you asked to see me.
So when I take it off of that, it gets rid of that other tab right here. It shows. Interesting. So if let me see something. If I go in, go to the other window, look, it's playing in the background while I still can move around the first window. That's interesting. Maybe we could even go look for other shows.
$7. I don't have 7, boy.
That was a funny episode. Yeah, it took away that other tab when I did that. Huh, that's just the way Explorer 10 works. You have to just get used to it. Windows Explorer, that is. Huh. What the kids usually use is this. Media Center. Taking a few seconds to open. This computer ain't no slow old computer, but it's kids clogged it up a little bit. I was trying to do some updates last night to it. Might be just a dual core guide. You can watch Netflix through this too. Let's see. Let's go to the Cubo channel. This is using a digital tuner off the air. We don't have cable or DirecTV because I don't need it. Here we go. Here's the channel they usually watch. This is usually just kind of stuff we leave on for them.
Guess we'll be going. Hello?
And of course, Media Center, you have all the controls just like you will with any DVR. You could pause it, back up,
Ow! Oh,
go back to where you were.
hello? Anybody here? Ow!
You're watching We the People with Gloria
Oh,
Holman.
great.
We're back with the case of co-plaintiff David and Melanie Sutter, who are suing property owner Francine Kahn to recover
Netflix.
You have something you wish to add in
And of course, the instant queue in Netflix has some videos I have in there, and then a whole bunch of the kids have put in there. And you can see these ones, the ones I put in, and then there's all this stuff. So, TV works pretty good. Resume. They use Netflix a lot. And it works built in with Media Center, so that's pretty much how we set up our TVs. I'm not getting a real good picture because it's bright up there, see, so it's making my camera underexposed for the, I should say, for the TV part. overexposed for the rest of the room. Anyway, that's what they watch. And the Bing desktop I put on there so it changes the background every day. And if they need to search something, I just go up here and click on that. So, looks like I got it all set back up again. The little Crayola mouse and keyboard for the little fingers. Anyway, the recording this just isn't giving it justice, especially with all how bright it is in here. But it actually, that monitor looks really good. That TV does as a monitor for the computer. So if I get a chance to get any more of these from work, I'll definitely take them for some extra computer monitors. Make some nice 32-inch computer monitors out of them. I'm just running it in 720 though. I didn't want to run in 1080 through the VGA. By using the HDMI cable, I could have sworn it was, but the computer wasn't sending the sound through that. So if I run this in VGA mode, it'll let me use the 1/8-inch audio input, and then that way I can use these for the speakers. I don't want to set up separate speakers. So maybe I'll score a few more of these since they have a bunch of them at work, and they seem to be at the medical center, and they seem to be taking a dump on a quite regular basis. So if I get them soon enough, before they totally short out, I can fix them.